This is Saturday, August 19th. Here's just a few resources that you need to know about to stay safe. Hello, gentle travelers. This is Nikki P, aka the Gentle Healthy Traveler. Well, I wasn't planning on doing a video today, but day has taken a turn, and we are preparing now in Southern California for Hurricane Hilary, which should be a tropical storm apparently by the time it hits landfall. FYI. This is a Hurricane Katrina survivor talking to you right here back in 2005. Me and my partner at the time and his family, we evacuated from Hurricane Katrina. So I definitely remember that experience. I don't choose to panic or anything, but I am definitely one to take precautions and to help others do so as well. So I'm here at the El Corazon Reclamation Center, and I'm getting some sand for sandbags for my parents' house. I just got a tarp for Winnie the Pooh, because we got a little bit of roof leaking going on from the last storm that happened in Texas. Check out that video if it's up yet already. But we'll keep you posted as to what's going on. We'll keep you posted. All right, stay safe out there.